Ever heard of a creature that spends its entire life in water, yet isn't a fish, and can regrow its body parts? We're talking about the axolotl, a remarkable being that resides in the waterways of Mexico. This creature possesses a host of unique features that are sure to captivate your curiosity. Sadly, they're also on the brink of extinction. What makes them so special, and why are they endangered? Stay tuned to uncover the fascinating world of axolotls. Axolotls, also known as Mexican walking fish, are not fish, but amphibians. A fascinating quirk of nature, these creatures are truly a marvel to behold. Now let's dive into the world of axolotls and get to know them a bit better. Axolotls are unique creatures bearing a striking resemblance to a water-dwelling teddy bear with their wide heads and fringed gills. They are usually around 9 to 12 inches long, although some have been known to grow even larger. Their skin is soft and delicate, coming in various colors from wild types with dark hues to leucistic axolotls, which are a captivating pure white. These remarkable beings hail from the remnants of Xochimilco, a system of lakes and canals near Mexico City. It's here in these waters that axolotls have made their home, thriving in the cool, dark depths. Breathing is a fascinating process for axolotls. They are gifted with both lungs and gills, offering them a unique dual mode of respiration. While they primarily breathe through their gills, absorbing oxygen directly from the water, they can also gulp air from above the surface into their lungs when necessary. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring trait of axolotls is their extraordinary ability to regenerate. Unlike most creatures, axolotls can regrow not just limbs but also their heart, spinal cord, and even parts of their brain and eyes without any scarring. Imagine that, losing a limb and then just growing it right back. It's a feature that leaves scientists astounded and continues to be a subject of intense study. Axolotls are truly a testament to the wonders of nature, with their adorable appearance and incredible regenerative abilities. They offer us a glimpse into a world of biological possibilities that seem to border on science fiction. Yet they're real, living right here on our planet in the mystical waters of Xochimilco. Isn't it mind-boggling that an animal can regrow its heart or even brain? Axolotls have a lifestyle that's as unique as they are. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of these aquatic creatures and their day-to-day life. First off, let's talk about their diet. Axolotls are carnivorous, meaning they have a meat-based diet. They enjoy a variety of foods from small fish and worms to crustaceans and insect larvae. They use their wide mouths to create a vacuum, sucking in their prey whole. It's a bit like watching a miniature underwater vacuum cleaner in action. Next, we move on to their lifespan. On average, an axolotl lives for about 15 years in captivity. Some have been known to live up to 25 years. That's quite impressive, considering the average lifespan of most amphibians. Now let's talk about something truly remarkable. The axolotl's reproduction process. Axolotls reach sexual maturity at about 1 year of age. The female lays anywhere from a few hundred to 1,000 eggs, which she carefully attaches to plants and rocks. After about 2 weeks, these eggs hatch into tiny axolotl larvae, complete with feathery gills to breathe underwater. But here's where things get really interesting. Axolotls exhibit a trait known as neoteny. That means they retain their juvenile features throughout their life. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls don't undergo metamorphosis to become land-dwelling creatures. They remain in their larval form, complete with gills and a tail for their entire lives. That's right, they are forever young, spending their lives under the water, never growing up to breathe air or wander on land. And there you have it. Axolotls lead a life that's as intriguing as it is unique. From their carnivorous diet to their extended lifespan, their reproductive process, and their eternal youth, these creatures are full of surprises. Axolotls truly are the Peter Pans of the animal kingdom, aren't they? You might be wondering, can I have an axolotl as a pet? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Axolotls are indeed captivating creatures, and they can make unique and interesting pets. However, they require specific care and conditions to thrive. Firstly, axolotls are aquatic animals, meaning they need a well-maintained aquarium to live in. They prefer cooler water temperatures, between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and their diet consists of a variety of live foods like earthworms and brine shrimp. But it's not just about meeting their physical needs. Being responsible for an axolotl also means understanding their behavior. They are generally solitary creatures and can become stressed if they are handled too much or if their environment is often disturbed. Before you rush out to get an axolotl, it's also important to note that they are considered an endangered species in the wild. Consequently, there are legal restrictions on their ownership in some regions. For instance, in California, it's illegal to own an axolotl without a special permit, so it's crucial to check your local laws before deciding to bring one of these charming amphibians into your home. In conclusion, while axolotls can make wonderful pets, they require a dedicated and knowledgeable owner. They're not the ideal pet for everyone, but for those who are up to the challenge, these unique creatures can bring a lot of joy. Remember, every pet deserves a loving and responsible owner, and axolotls are no exception. Unfortunately, these fascinating creatures are critically endangered. The axolotls, these unique aquatic marvels, are facing a crisis. Their natural habitat, the Xochimilco Canal system in Mexico City, is shrinking due to urbanization. The once vast network of lakes and canals has been reduced to a mere fraction of what it once was, and the axolotls are feeling the squeeze. Moreover, the water they call home is increasingly polluted. Trash, chemicals, and invasive species introduced by human activity are wreaking havoc on their environment, making it harder for them to thrive. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are people and organizations out there working tirelessly to save the axolotls. They're restoring habitats, cleaning up pollution, and breeding axolotls in captivity to bolster their numbers, and you can help too. Supporting these conservation efforts, whether through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading awareness, can make a real difference. Together we can help ensure that future generations can also marvel at the wonder of axolotls. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of axolotls. We hope that you've gained a deeper appreciation for these incredible creatures and the challenges they're facing. If you found this video informative and want to help spread awareness about the plight of the axolotls, please share this video. Every share counts and brings us one step closer to saving these aquatic marvels. If you enjoyed learning about axolotls, show your support by giving this video a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more fascinating animal facts and stories. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe can make a difference. Let's save the axolotls together.